everyone, myself Chef Gaurav Khurana. I am the Dean in charge of Hotel Management Department at Guru Kashi University, which is established in Talwandi, Sabo. So, on the occasion of World Environment Day 2021, I will share a salad recipe with you, which is based on fruits and vegetables and a very unique dressing. I will share a small story with you. In a United Nations, 1972, this day was established, and in the first time it was celebrated in 1974 with the theme of One Earth. So let's start with the recipe. So now I will introduce you with the ingredients which we need for making salad. Carrot, this is orange carrot. Cottage cheese, paneer. Diced mango, this is seasonal. Watermelon. 2 chunks of pineapple. Some grapes, this is green grapes. This is cucumber, I'm using with skin. Green capsicum. Tomatoes. Onions. So this is the main ingredients for the salad, and for dressing what we use, I'm using aloe vera over here. I will cut this upper sheet and take the gel from this aloe vera, and I will make the dressing. Coconut water, lemon juice, this is mustard, Dijon mustard, and amchur and black salt. These are the seeds which comes from the watermelon, lemon and capsicum. I will take the seeds and make different types of plant of these seeds. So these are the ingredients. Now I will start with the dressing. So let's start with the dressing. First of all, I will cut the aloe vera. So here I will cut it. So here we have gel, which I will use for the dressing, and directly I'm going to pour the gel into the jar. You can see this beautiful gel. So here I am using this. That's it, this is enough. And with this I'm adding this coconut water into it, lemon juice, amchur powder and black salt, mustard, at last I am using olive oil. Now I will blend it all. Just give me a second. So here's my dressing. My dressing is ready. It's have a nice color. Let's taste it. Guys, do try this. Awesome. I'm adding a little bit of pepper into it, and now I will pour this beautiful dressing into my bowl. and set aside. Now I will add all the vegetables and food into it. This is cottage cheese, cucumber, peppers. You can add red pepper or yellow pepper. This is raw carrot, tomatoes, onions, fresh onions, pineapple, grapes, watermelon. So now look at this, guys, how lovely it is. Now I am adding the dressing into it. And now you have to toss it, or you can take spoons like this. Some more dressing. So we are ready with the salad, and now I'm going to plate the salad. Just give me a second. So let's start the plating. Just so I have a very beautiful wheel of watermelon over here. Just cover it with the dressing. And here. And with my beautiful salad. So guys, I'm ready with the salad. Here, I'm ready with the salad. So guys, I'm ready with the salad. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and I request you all, please save our earth, save water, save plants. If we will save our earth, if we will save our plants, our water, we will save our future. So I'll tell you that if I'm eating this salad, this whole meal, from where I get this? From the environment, from the plants. So I will request to my mentors, my friends, Chef Jaswinder Singh, Dr. Prashant Gautam, Punjab University, Chandigarh, Chef MD Shahjahan, Punjab University, Chandigarh, Chef Dinesh Mahajan, Chef Khurana from Chandigarh University, Chef Rana from City, and all my dear viewers, please do try this recipe, and kindly share your valuable time, kindly share your valuable recipes on World Environment Day 2021. Thank you.